payment March the 18th, 2025.
Give me my money back.
All the money that I loaned you.
Give me my money
Right
back.
now, you know that you owe
And me when you come
Give me
out,
my money back.
Nation Star Mortgage.
Pay me.
Give me my money back.
Yes.
Pay me.
Pay me my money back, yeah.
This is for the house that he was living in
Give me
Dallas.
my money back.
Dallas, Texas.
Pay me.
Monthly
Give me my
payment
money
supposed to be
back.
$2,127. Mortgage account. VA real estate mortgage.
Give me my money back.
$3,106.77.
Give me my money back.
In due, payment due
My money back.
January the 31st, 2025.
So still awaiting the start of this second section.
Stinking boy.
Staff assistant telling the athletes to keep warm.
Come here again. Come here, deal with you now. Web bank. Credit card. 2,359. Amount due February the 28th. Amount paid $70. Yes, a little $70 boy. A beer walk you walk and pay be a blood clot $70 drunk crow. You can't ramp with me. Now ramp with me. Oh. Ali Financial. What is automobile? 55,483. Last payment March 9, 2022. I balance 55,146. It's a payment close. Look like him paid that one, yeah. I don't know. It just said that. When it said payment close, guys, it said paid close. Was paid agreed or whatever. Eh? Yeah. Capital One. Again. Credit card 1,270. Amount paid $43. Ramprid me dog shit. I'm here ramprid. On the company internet come hype up on a stinking self. I'm not a body in America. No body. What is? Chrysler Capital. I don't know what name say now. Tell me if I call it right. Automobile. Balance 31,941. Eh? Or Chrysler. I don't know. It's a Chrysler Capital. Automobile. It's a loan type automobile. Balance 31,941. That one I said the same thing up at the top too. Payment close. That dirty batty man, yeah, man. Stink. Germs. Now play with me. This say Academy Sports and Outdoors card. Payment close. Was paid as agreed. Remember lie mix up with you know. I be a fraud and be a thing gonna go on with you know. Come again. Make a look for blood clad something else.